Hi everyone, I know it's been a minute since I've been here, but anyway, this is a quick video on how I use water decals, and today I'm using Queen of Decals brand. These are the Bambi ones available on our website, which I'll link below. So just to show you, I'm just using a white gel polish, doing one layer of that. I normally do this with acrylic, so if anyone has transfers or decals, any of my clients, I normally cap this in clear acrylic into my design rather than doing it with gel polish. But this is just a quick video because I've had a request. So yeah, one layer of gel polish. This is just Elite 99's white gel, and I'm just going to be using the butterfly on the end because I don't want to be wasting them because they're stunning. So yeah, wipe off any excess gel off the sides and put that into cure. Now we're gonna cut the decal off, so just using some little scissors to cut. Oh, please ignore my nails as well, they need doing. Sorry, it's slightly out of shot as well. So yeah, just cutting the decal out, and then make sure you've got some tweezers as well because it helps. I've got a little glass ramekin dish that I use for my decals. Just have that with room temperature water in, and just pop the decal into the water for about 25 to 30 seconds, I'd say. Doesn't need to be in there very long. So as you can see, I've got the little nail pop out that is all cured, and I always do this. I place it on the back of my thumb, like sort of slide it off, and then I use the tweezers to get the rest of it off, and then you just pop that over the top. I love how gorgeous these decals are. Pat it down into place so that you've got no lifts or air bubbles underneath, and then once you've done that and you're happy with the placement and whatnot, you go ahead and top coat. As I said, when I do transfers and that, I put them under acrylic, so I'll do a really thin layer of white, and then I'll put transfers on and cap it in clear acrylic. Just lasts longer for me, I think. So, but this is just to show and give you a bit of an idea. So yeah, just go ahead and top coat, cure that, and then it's all finished. I have got another video coming soon. I've just got to edit it and that, but that is soon done. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.